Hey YouTube, Dave Mack here. Last summer, I got a new 2024 Highland Model 3, and I was going to make a video about the whole experience picking it up, which you'll see a little bit of that here. But I also got a new sponsor, Jowua. They sent me this 6D Invisible Foldaway Car Mount. It's MagSafe compatible, and I was going to make a video of that too, or include it in that overall video. And then I noticed it said it wasn't compatible with the new car. I asked them about it. They sent me a new one, and so I was going to give away, and I will be giving away, this unopened version here. It turns out the new version just has an extension USB-C cable that you could get from Jowua or pretty much anywhere. So even if you have an old or a new Model 3, this will work for you. So hang tight, watch the video, see how it works, and at the end, we'll be giving this away. Today's the day. Trading in my original 2018 Tesla Model 3, trading it in for a 2024 all-wheel drive long range. All right. This is awesome. Man, the fit and finish is really nice. This cloth is new. I did like the wood, and this will not work anymore on this vehicle, so it's a good thing I got the new Jowua, which I'll install when we get home. Okay, so my Model 3 roof rack and center console trays have arrived. One thing to note, when you order these with the purchase of a car, I thought they were included in the price of the car. They are not. They ship separately through the Tesla shop. Okay, so first we have the Model 3 center console trays. Previous original Model 3, at least mine, 2018, had one in the center console up here, nothing in the middle. You know, lots of storage in these, but I really would have thought that these were included. They were about 35 bucks, and this one goes up here, two spots, coins I guess, or whatever, and it can slide back and forth, in here, wherever you want to place it. So that is extra what I'm used to. And then this single opening deep well goes right here in the armrest. They're felt lined, nice quality. I really think Tesla should include those, but maybe some people don't need them, and you know, it is save some money on the manufacturing. Oh well. All right, so we have the 6D Invisible Foldaway Car Mount box, and the extension cable, which is basically part of the re-engineered package. All right, so yeah, it shows what we have in the box. Very nice minimal packaging. Let's go install this. The instructions look fairly simple. We're going to basically just attach the suction cup to the back of the screen. It has a cover with a little bit of extra adhesive on there, and then hide the cable. And I wondered what these little clips were, because the instructions don't say, but going on Jowua's website, you can basically see that the clips are used just for cable management. So with that in mind, I'm going to put these clips on before we get to the car. And I'm just going to use two, I think, for now. So the next step is really just to take this wire and kind of tuck it in. You can put it back through here, and then it has Velcro strips. So basically we're gonna go up back there as far as we can. I'm probably gonna see if I can get it under here. And in the back it's gonna come out. We're gonna route it a similar way. There's another Velcro, and basically once it's there, we're probably not gonna see it anything much except for this right angle. For ease of installation, I'm really just gonna put this back as far as I can, I think, and then you can actually go push this under. You could remove this panel if you really wanted to, but I'm gonna just kind of pop it under there, and we'll see how this looks in a minute. All right, so I was able to get it completely under this panel, except for this one part right here. I think there's a stanchion, and like I said, I think you could pull this whole panel off if you want, just like if you are placing, at least on the old Model 3, the air filter, I think it's the same way. But it's all under there, hidden, can't see it at all. And then it does come back out over here, but that's because I have this separate connection. That's because I have a separate cable connection that I don't want to put under there. So you can't really see it at all, and I'm happy. And one other change I personally made was I switched to using only one clip, and I put the cable through the center. I just like it a little bit more that way. But overall, clean look, and you know, you can hide it away if you'd like, if you're not using it, very easily. But I probably intend to keep it out like this most of the time because I mean, to be honest, most times I'm driving, I'm just going to want to throw my phone right there and you know, have it charge and show me what I need to see. And just so you can see it, this is about an eyeball view, point of view from my angle. I could put the steering wheel down a little bit if I really wanted to, but this works for me, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now, if you're planning to film with it, which I may or may not, you might want to see what the angles look like, so I'm just going to show you right now. Here's the portrait view with the Jowua mount basically diagonals at the top of the screen, where it still sees the dash by a good bit, but with a good camera, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, you probably should be able to crop it and get a good video, but I would prefer the landscape over this one. All right, so with the iPhone in the orientation on top of the screen, it actually gives a pretty good view of the road. Let's see if I zoom out what it looks like. Okay, there a little bit more. You do see the dash, but yeah, that's a pretty good option, especially if I don't want to have my whole GoPro mounting setup in the car. All right. So after using this for about a week of driving, I really like the location. I can still see the screen, you know, for if I'm using Waze in addition to Google Maps. I really thought I liked it over here, but you know, it's a really long distance away, and if I do have to tap anything, it's right there. So I am very happy with this mount. It can go above the screen or on the side, but unless I'm filming video, I'm primarily using it on the side, just like this. And it looks really nice. I really do enjoy this, and I really thought before I got it that if my other one had worked in this vehicle, I would be keeping that one over here and giving this away. But I'm going to keep this one and give away the second one that Jowua has donated. And one more thing before we go, I did install the Model 3 roof rack. I'm not going to go into detail about the installation. It was pretty easy. And the one concern about breaking the glass, which some people have, I will say, as long as you make sure that there is a gap, and actually right here you can see the rack doesn't actually touch the glass. So when you install it, as long as that there's a gap there, there's really not much to worry about. The kayak mount I got is an X-Geek model, pretty inexpensive from Amazon, and I'm pretty happy with it. Driving around with these on in this position with no kayak does add a little bit of wind noise that you can hear, but my plan is to take these on and off when I'm not using them. Maybe just put them on for the weekend or something like that. Okay, thanks for watching the video. So here's the good part. We're going to be giving away this other Jowua Invisible Car Mount, and how we'll do that is by watching the video like you've done hopefully and gotten to this point. If you help me out by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and then put a comment. I'd love feedback, questions. I will definitely answer those. So all of that helps me out with my channel and will help you to see future videos and the winner. But to enter the contest, I just follow the instructions in the description below. I'm going to use gleam.io to help with the entries and picking of the winner. In about 2 weeks, and then I'll let everyone know who the winner is, and that'll also include shipping. So that's it. Oh, and one fun fact, right now my phone is mounted on the Jowua mount to make this video, so kind of cool. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody.